Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Microsoft Store wanted to download anything onto E drive. I'm trying to install some games onto my E drive, but every time I try to install it I get the error message 0x80070005, but this doesn't happen to on my D drive guys. Let's fix this problem. Go to search menu and type installed apps, inst installed apps, select open it, and search for Microsoft Store. Select the three dot icon over here, select advanced option and scroll down guys. Here is the reset option. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected. Click on repair. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset and will permanently delete the app data on this device guys. Reset it. After finishing this, attempt to install any games in your E drive guys, and hopefully that can able to resolve it. But if you not get resolved, go to system and right side select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, Windows Store apps, scroll down and run it. If you're having any problem with Windows Store apps, hopefully that can able to resolve it guys. Any problem detected, this will help you to resolve it. Reset an app. You can reset app aren't working right. From apps features, open app features, select not working, select advanced option, then reset it. We are already did it guys. For that, select next and continue the troubleshoot. Hanging or crashing detected, not fixed. Hopefully that can able to fix the problem. Close the troubleshooters, and if you not get resolved, let's move on to the third solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type file explorer, open it, go to this PC, and we are going to permission access to it C drive guys. For that, right click on the C drive and select properties, select the security tab and select advanced and select the change option over here. In here you need to type your user account name guys. I am typing everyone. You just need to type your user account name. For example, here you just need to type your administrator or your guest account name. That's be example. Click on it and I will show you guys how is that mean. User example administrator or guest account. Group means administrator, guest, user, power user, everyone. That is the for example it. I'm just typed everyone guys. You just need to type your administrator account or guest account in here and click check names and click OK. And after doing that, select replace, select that account and select replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Select it, check mark, and click OK. Do you wish to continue? Click yes. Click yes, guys, and click continue again for everything. This access is denied, and hopefully your problem has been resolved, guys, at this point. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.